Hi, this is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and today I want to talk about my favorite momentum stocks for the week. If you're interested in momentum stocks, if you'd like to trade them, or just want to see which stocks I'm trading, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to have two really interesting retail names for you that are acting like good momentum stocks and are really bucking the trend in retail. So let's begin with a sector that we haven't been paying much attention to. And that is the defense and aerospace sector. Now this is very dark. I don't know if this is pricing in a war with Iran or something like that, but it's hard to ignore the strength in this sector. One way to trade this is using the ETF XAR, and you can see here amazing chart trading above the 50-day moving average right here, and 50-day moving average above the 200-day moving average, and hitting new 52-week highs here, if not all-time. These are actually all-time highs. So that's pretty crazy in this environment to see defense names, basically names that benefit from defense spending in war, being at all-time new highs. And if you don't want to trade an ETF, there are a couple strong names within this ETF, within the sector. I would really draw your attention to LMT. Lockheed Martin is a good one. NOC, Northrop Grumman, and finally in this group, I would group gold, GLD, which is obviously not really not a defense stock at all, but it benefits from bad things happening, too much money printing, war in the Middle East, these sort of things. So this is kind of the very dark momentum side of things here: the defense names, aerospace names, and gold. Next, very strange. We've had quite a breakdown in enterprise software names for names we've been looking at, like Twilio, Vive. Shopify just announced a secondary offering, stocks down 5% in the pre-market hours. I would personally, and I am staying away from these enterprise software names. It's been a big breakdown here. But there are two tech names that do stand out. Twitter, TWTR. Very good chart, holding fairly close to the highs here in spite of some overall market weakness, and then Apple as well. Surprisingly, trading near these highs. So those are the only two tech names I'm interested in at the moment. Then there's another strange area that's showing resilience, which is unusual. SMH, semiconductor ETF. You can see this is trading near the highs in spite of everything that's been happening. There's been a real rotation out of things like enterprise software stocks into defense names, into defensive names as well as defense stocks, and into semiconductors. So some names within here that I would take a look at: TER, Teradyne, probably is one of the best charts. LSCC, just gorgeous chart, trending really well here. It looks like it may be setting up for another breakout. Micron, an old name that's been around forever. Maybe not quite as strong of a chart as those last two. LRCX and Teradyne, probably my two favorites within here. And then Texas Instruments would be the last one, TXN. So those are we have the war stocks, basically. We have the semiconductor stocks. And as a bonus, I wanted to show you two retail stocks that are working really well. Lulu continues to just power ahead. LULU. Lululemon seems to just be benefiting from a secular trend in this kind of clothing, and it's fairly expensive clothing. So this is, it's a fairly good defensive name in terms of the techies and people who buy this sort of stuff. Probably will continue to have the spending money to spend on this. And then finally, Restoration Hardware. It used to be called, now it's called RH. Just an amazing looking chart. And it's hard to really reconcile all these things. War stocks, semiconductor stocks, a few retailers. But it's a bifurcated market where we have S&P close to all-time new highs here, and yet you have enterprise software, a lot of momentum names that we've been trading in the past breaking down, including even somewhat defensive names like McDonald's, Starbucks. So very interesting rotation going on here. Make sure you use those stop losses and know where you're going to exit before you enter. And if you want to if you want to find a way to magnify your returns, I'd encourage you to check out my courses if you enjoy the way I teach. And I have a course on swing trading with options, which is a really nice way of benefiting from momentum names and adding a little bit more juice to your trading. All these courses are included with your monthly tuition, including Learn to Trade Stocks Like a Pro, Price Action Trading, and I'm in the process of putting out a completely new course on trading options. And it's probably going to be 50 or 100 lectures. I probably have 10, 15 lectures out already. So be sure to check that out. If you're interested and you like the way I teach, you can click on the link in the description notes below, and it'll take you to this page right here. And because you're a YouTube viewer, I'm offering a current discount. So normally the tuition for Trader University is just $125 a month. But if you click right here where it says have a coupon code and you type in YouTube 2019, and I'll put that coupon code in the notes below, just click update. You'll see that the price changes to just $99 a month. You can watch all the courses in 1 month and then cancel. I'm also going to be adding new courses every week and every month. So that's something to check out if you're interested in really taking your trading to the next level. I'd be interested in what stocks you're looking at out there. Drop some of the tickers and some of your explanations in the comments below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and click like on this video if you like this kind of video so that YouTube can show it to more people. Thanks a lot for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.